Well, we're just down in Blue Mountain Village, wandering around, checking out the light trail. How you doing, babe?
I was taking a video up here, and then that woman was walking into it. She's like, "I'm so sorry," and I was like, "It's okay, it's just for my sister." And then I was like, "Go Laura," because she was doing this. So I was like, "Go Laura, go Laura." She's trying to get out of the video.
Do you guys live local? No. Oh, okay, because there's somebody who lives local here that has two big dogs like yours. I think I met them before. No, these guys are just puppies. That's why they're crazy. How old are they?
10 months.
Oh my God, they're not even a year yet.
No. They're super sweet. They're just crazy. I can't remember what they're called. Great Pyrenees.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So bad.
Oh, no. She's not scared of big dogs.
Oh, no. They're super gentle.
Oh my God, you guys aren't even a year yet. Oh my.
He's the biggest one we've ever
Like,
jeez.
He's just, even our fed is like,
Yeah.
10 months, eh?
Oh, don't you dare, buddy.
Like, what's he weighing in at?
so we think like 120 now.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, so he was 97 a month ago.
Yeah, he's way big.
I know.
These dogs you need to have a very good relationship with.
Yeah.
hey, you, look at me, look at me, look at me.
Oh, Ben.
So, Benny.
Their whole body off the ground like a kangaroo is pretty impressive, actually.
Yeah.
It's a lot of weight to move. Have you had the breed before?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you have? Okay.
Yeah.
Jenny doesn't know what to think. What's the big dog that she used to run around with? Gus? What was Gus?
He was a Newfoundland. Yeah, he was a Newfie.
Newfie last.
Yeah, he was a Newfie.
Yeah, we've been Newfies too.
Yeah.
Love them.
What are you doing?
Being a 10-month-old puppy?
Guys.
A 10-month-old puppy.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Unbelievable.
Sit down. That's a good girl.
There you go. Oh,
There you go.
This is what he tries when they won't play with him. Then he's like, well, maybe if I lie down.
If I get a little smaller and a little closer to the ground.
Yeah, exactly.
We don't need a picture of that.
Oh,
Dogs do that on the trail all the time. I think it's so cute, especially border collies. Whenever I'm hiking here, they lie down and they wait.
Oh, yeah.
It's so cute.
Oh my God. Oh,
They're adorable.
awesome. Yeah, have a good night.
Penny's too frozen
Oh.
to even care.
Yeah.
She's just like,
Oh my God, they're not even 10 months old. Those things are monsters. That's insane. 10 months old. That's crazy. for a little wander around Blue. We had a great little dinner over at Bent Taco in town. Highly recommend. They're Mexican. It's really good. We had a nice little dinner, and then we came for a wander around Blue in the little night village here. Everything's all lit up. It's pretty quiet. You better, Pen? You better?
She'll be better when she's at home in the bed in her blanket snoring.
Better when she gets out of the cold. Well, we'll get out of the cold. Go back home and cuddle up.